In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Mario Kart remote control car. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the steps of setting up your Mario Kart remote control car. Keep in mind that while the general instructions are going to be the same across all remote control cars, depending on your specific model, you might have additional or even less steps. I recommend that you read the manual for your specific model, but in this video, I'm going to give you general connection steps that might work regardless of the model that you have. So first, check the batteries. Ensure that both the car and the remote control have fresh batteries. Low battery power can often hinder connection or straight up make it refuse to work. So always make sure that you have enough batteries on both devices. Next, turn on both the car and the remote control. If applicable, you will need to pair both, so some models require pairing. This usually involves pressing specific buttons simultaneously on both the car and the remote. Sadly, for this step, I won't be able to give you specific instructions. Refer to the usual manual and see which buttons are asked to be pressed for pairing if applicable. Next, extend the antenna on the remote control fully, and by extracting it fully, you will be able to get the best connection possible. Next, clear the obstacles, so remove any obstructions between the car and the remote control, because walls, furniture, or electronic devices can interfere with the signal. Most remote control cars have limited range, so ensure that you are within the specified distance and you will be good to go. Now you should be able to input any movement on the remote control and the car should respond immediately. Like I said, if you are noticing problems like blinking lights, no response, or interference, make sure that you get a clear area and that you check the batteries on both the car and the remote control. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Mario Kart remote control car. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.